So we just got back from our cousin's house and this is our final product. Yeah, I kind of gave up at the front here, but still looks good. The windows, I didn't decorate the windows, but I have some like frost or whatever, icicles. And the snow is glittery. It's edible glitter. I used some Twizzlers and stuff, and then yeah, that's basically it. And I have like the candy cane kisses on the sides. And yeah, and then this is my sister's. I like her front yard. It's just plain, simple, red. Just red and green, and she already started eating it. But yeah, that's basically it on hers. So yeah, that's the gingerbread houses. We're gonna do another gingerbread houses again later. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!